This is super fun. Would this alarm clock wake me up in the vacuum of space? I did something about this a couple weeks ago with a battery operated buzzer in a vacuum chamber. And people said, oh, it's because the battery doesn't work or the speaker isn't working in the vacuum. But now you can see the hammer going back and forth. A mechanical noisemaker in a vacuum. Will we be able to hear this? Let's find out. I'm pulling the vacuum. Now we just have to wait for the alarm to go off. So we've pulled the vacuum. The alarm should go off any time now. You can see the hammer hitting the two bells, but there's no sound. Let's let the air back in. So that's pretty cool. You could see the hammer moving, no sound, because sound can't travel in a vacuum. I love science. Have a great day.